Would have to use bleach.
Yeah, if you want to remove.
Good morning, New York. We're gonna live in the city again soon, guys. I've been looking at places.
Not even a decision is this one.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't freaking out right now. As you guys know, I just got my hair done like literally last week. And why do I look like this right now? Look at the top of my head.
The back is like burgundy, bro.
Why? Why do I look like a flaming hot Cheeto right now? Why is my hair fried? Why does she look so dead and knotted? Everything was going fine until yesterday. If you're wondering what happened, basically I ordered something from Amazon to refresh my hair, and then I ended up putting it in my hair, but I was being really lazy with it, and it came out looking really orange and splotchy, and then I was like, you know what, it's gonna fix this if I just do it one more time. Clearly it did not fix it. Then my nails turned yellow, right? So then I just started peeling them off just now, but I can't get the rest of them off, so they look like this. I literally had like 2 seconds of thinking that I was like on the right path and giving clean girl until I f***ed it up. Look at my hair. She is on its last thread right now. Look at this. What the is this? What is this? When my hair is bad, I can't function. I literally can't function. I can't function. I can't help but look at myself and tell myself how ugly I look. I look so ugly right now. I can't. I look disgusting. Oh my god, also this all happened after I booked my flight. I booked my flight to go to Turkey alone yesterday. I'm gonna leave tomorrow night. Apparently it's not safe, but I like watched a couple vloggers go alone as a girl, so I'm like, it can't be that bad. This is giving 15-year-old me again, when I would just do my hair every 3 weeks and travel the world. I was living life back then though. I can't with this hair. It looks so bad. Oh my god, it looked like a carrot.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, it's anything but the best.
Guys, I really hope I don't have to chop my hair off and dye it brown. But if I do, just know that if I'm a different girl for the next 5 years straight, it's because of this moment. Sterling! Come on, let's go, Sterling. I need moral support. Come on. Good boy. Hi, how are you? I'm good. I called in about just getting gels. This place is cute. I miss living in the city, and I'm gonna live in the city again. I feel like you guys never see me in the city anymore because I live in Brooklyn, so I'm actually not really in the city that often, which sucks because it's like, bro, the vlogs are so boring when they're just in my house. I'm like, remember when I used to vlog outside every day? I've been looking at places, but I'm so indecisive. I'm like, do I want a good view or do I want like a nice big house with like some charm, like a nice old, it's giving cute, historical, like literally historical. I'm so indecisive. I've been going here for the past year now to get my hair done, and she did a really good job. Like, my hair is not that dead for dyeing it so many times, and I know you guys might be like, oh, it's dead. It's gonna be dead if I bleach my hair. But trust me, guys, I've done a lot to my hair before, and she's kept it in the best condition. So if you live in New York, come see your girl JoJo. She's a very good hairstylist, guys. But genuinely, she saw me in here last week, y'all, and I managed to do this. I should have just came here in the first place, you know what I mean? And I haven't even taken like a good picture to post on my Instagram to be like new hair, and I've it up. It's pretty bad. It's so bad.
It's pretty bad.
It's pretty bad. I think we can take it out.
That would be damaged, yeah.
I'm gonna cry. They're bringing in someone else to analyze this because we don't know what to do. But I'm like, girl, I cannot be walking around looking like a carrot. I think I would cry. We don't only have JoJo trying to fix this mess, we have Nico trying to fix this mess too. Guys, don't use overtone. No matter how tempting it looks, don't do your hair using overtone. This is a bad review for overtone, and I'm gonna leave my Amazon review. Second shampoo round. Let's go. Carrot. It's just more even carrot, which is good. So I think we're gonna try to dye it brown a little bit to make this less, you know? She has been fixed. What the f? She's been revived, guys. A little bit more orange, but I'm kind of here for it. I'm kind of here for it. Look who it is.
Hey, how you doing today? Stop playing with him.
I'm sure you guys might not recognize this face, but I'm sure you guys have seen these videos before. I'm sure you guys have seen them. They're crazy. They're iconic. We're trying to convince him to be a vlogger, guys. Okay, guys, I'm sitting in the park right now. I got myself a cherry ice cream with Oreos on top. I don't know what I was expecting, but the cherry tastes fake. But I'm like, why did I expect anything different? It's good. I just think they should take this off the menu. Hi guys, it's currently 5 a.m. I'm getting ready to go to the office right now because I want to be there before the sun rises so that I can get a sunrise shot. I leave to Turkey tonight. Still have not packed, but it's okay. Also, fun fact that I learned when I had no boobs when I was 13, 14, 15. It's 5 a.m. If my humor is cringy or off, it's 5 a.m. Wear a push-up bra and then wear a sports bra over top. There's this one from Aloe. I'll link it down below. And even without the bra, it is the most push-up sports bra I've ever seen in my entire life. But I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wear this because I'm gonna go to the gym, I think. Maybe, hopefully. But then I'm also gonna bring this dress so I could change into. It's like giving, get a little tennis girl. But I slept with a bonnet on because I'm trying to like save my hair. I feel like I've been slacking because I'm just like, oh, I was so used to it now. But when I first got pink hair, I would sleep with a bonnet on every single night. And it saved my hair and then I kind of just stopped, but we'll be back on that grind. For the shoes, look at these little sit ones that I have. I bought these in Japan. I don't know why. I've literally never worn them. I thought I would like wear them with like a sweat set and that it would look like cute little slides. Girl, I never wear these. I'm gonna wear these with the dress. These are from Into Archive. Aren't they adorable? Vintage Chanel. I have like a tool to fix my hair at the office, so we're just gonna leave her like this. I feel like I love the no makeup look the most with orange hair, which is why I was so devastated when I f***ed it up yesterday because I was like, oh my god, like I actually really enjoyed this hair color. Something new that I've been trying is this Noni ampoule. I saw it on TikTok and this girl was like, oh my god, this changed my skin. It was the only thing that didn't make my skin irritated. And I looked and I was like, I have this. I don't use it. So this is gonna be the next product that I try until it's all the way used up. But this is my skin right now. I've gotten 2 facials from Cynthia in the past month and I feel like my skin's actually clearer. Aside from these 2 things here, but I feel like that's inevitable. And then I'm gonna go with the Laneige Glowy Base Serum. I've never tried her, but hopefully she's good. Tatcha, the water cream. All right, ready to go? Good morning, New York! I think this is the earliest I've ever been to the office. Bro's acting like he hates me. Oh, okay, I see how it is. Good morning, Sterling. Aw, they switched the floral arrangement. This one's so cute. I really like this one. It's my favorite so far. Look at her. She's so cute. Hi. Good boy, Sterling. Yeah, good boy.
Crazy.
Wow, this building is so pretty. This is classic NYC construction in the back. This looks like Hogwarts. Oh yeah, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. How is this just like in the financial district? This is crazy. It's so pretty. And then, boom. Wow. Wow, I love being a tourist. Ooh, what is that?
A little bacon and egg sandwich with a hash brown.
Okay.
Okay, pour.
We're currently at Regular Cafe. It's an Australian cafe here in Pai. It has 5 stars. I'm excited. This looks so good. I feel like Australians do breakfast best. He's Australian. He's Australian. Also, if you guys don't know, Australia is the biggest demographic on Alchemy. It's crazy. I'm like, what is that about? If you're Australian, please explain why you guys love it so much, or like why you guys watch my video. I love New York, bro. I miss going outside. I'm like, why am I smiling right now? I've lived in Brooklyn for the past 2 years and I don't think I realized how much I don't leave my house until I'm leaving my house right now and I'm like, oh my god, New York is so awesome. I also just realized that entire shot was just like cut off. the bad vlogger. Like, do you guys miss seeing the streets of New York City? Because I do, and I live here. We've been taking Instagram pictures for like the past 30 minutes, hour. If you guys want to see how they turned out, go to my Instagram. How cute the snacks are. You can have like any tea that you want, chips, candy. Girl, they are fully stocked. This is such a vibe. Like, look how cute this is. Bro, shooting. We're shooting. This is the view that got me, guys. This is what made me be like, I need to move in. They always have the most beautiful flower arrangements here. It's like, hello, welcome. Smelling all the snacks. Bro, the cafe is always so busy before 11. Gonna get my second dose of coffee for the day. Free. Oh, and 2 cold brews, please. Look at all the pastries, guys. I have yet to try this. It looks so good, the strawberry cheese Danish. But I usually order the sausage, egg, and cheese or the bacon, egg, and cheese. That is my go-to. But so aesthetic. And then like, look at all the snacks. It's always so aesthetic. Hi guys, we're currently biking to go to the house viewing. We got the Jenga building. Guys, I have anxiety hello right now. But it's because I drank 2 coffees today with no water. Ask me how I'm doing. Not good. She's in a mood. She in a mood. I'm telling myself I'm gonna feel better. Got some fresh air, riding a bike. She's good, she's good. It was giving overstimulation. I have been apartment hunting for the past 2 months straight. It has been a whole entire process. I'm gonna make a separate video about it. So follow my Instagram if you guys wanna see the live update. This was our reaction the first time we came to. That's what people said. It was giving Blair Waldorf.
Not even a decision is this one. This is, I love the warm, like I just love.
No, because like this is so bright. That's just the thing, is that like this looks so refreshing and alive, you know? Like it feels clean. Or like whenever I'm always cooking, it's like my setup was always here. Like this looks so very nice. Very nice. I'm like, the other one is so dim in the kitchen. What do you think? Wait, hello. Hi, we're both apartment shopping. So alike right we just ran into each other, both apartment shopping. Wait, you're checking out this area?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Lower East Side girlies.
Check us out.
We just ran into Emma as well, and she said she's a Pham member. Okay. She's team option number 1. If you guys don't know, basically I've been going on my private account and I've been like just debating yesterday, and I posted like 100 stories just debating. But there's option number 1 and option number 2, and she's an option number 1 girly. Okay, girl. Wait, what do you like about option number 1 better than option number 2?
It's just more unique.
I'm gonna be real right now when I say the pictures don't do option number 1 justice. Option number 1 is crazy.
Ah, such a nice view. Biking back to the office in New York. Look at Sterling. Sterling! Hi, Pookie. Oh, so pretty. Ugh. Sterling! You having fun? Oh, Sterling. Silly cat, jelly cat, jelly cat. Why is there a cat at the office? Currently headed home. I'm gonna pack, and then my flight is in 6 hours.
In the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, it's anything but the best.